Okay, welcome back to the how to make a ping pong game. Now we're gonna do a backdrop. Any backdrop you want. Like what about the beach? You could be ping ponging at the beach someday, right? Now you want to go to choose you could make it. Okay, let's make a ball. We already made a paddle. We already got a paddle. Now you want to click this square right here. I mean this circle. Now you want to change it to what you want it to be like. I made mine pretty cool. No, one green flag clicked. Forever move 10 steps. If on edge, bounce. Now you want to do when the green flag clicked, forever change. I mean, if then hold on, let me show you what this does. See, it does this. Should really go on different. It shouldn't really do that. Now, if touching paddle, if touching turn 180 degrees. See, so there's no if on paddle bounce. So this will make it good. But now we need to do something. Point in direction. Now you want to change this to 45. I'll show you like how to add a U screen. Now watch this. See this, it might not bounce off. You just have to give it might take a little bit. Now, bye.